Now I'll be demonstrating to you how to create a banner for your welcome slide. To start, we're going to make these text boxes smaller because we're going to put the banner in the center of the slide. Now to get the pictures that I am going to use, I'm going to go to Insert because I've already saved these pictures to my computer and select the pictures that I have downloaded. Now I click on the first one to select the others. I select, hold on Control and select the others. Then I select Insert. Now the pictures are across. Now the next thing that I need to do is to separate the pictures and then resize them because I need to get them to the almost rough to the same size. Now I will go through a little process and align them, try to stretch them, then I'm going to try to align them to get them at the same size. So it will take a little bit of work. So you just go through and do the work and align the pictures. I've resized my pictures. This one needs a little bit off, so I'm going to stretch it. So now it's resized. Now I'm going to now group my pictures so it come as one. So I click on the first one, hold on Control, click the third one, the second and third one. Then I go to Format, select Group, and group them. Now my pictures is now as one. Now I center this picture, so I can go to Format just the same way, align these, so ensure that they're at the middle and also center. So I can do that. Then I'm going to stretch this picture across the page. Now I have my banner in the center of my page.